Yeah, quick review on my fucking shotgun tool review shit. So this is all that comes in the bag, really. This is the only paperwork you get. Then the bag it's packaged in, and the item itself, fucking sick as. Full sends, no half sends, boys. Let me open the shit. So yeah, fuck. Dude, you could literally fucking kill someone with it. I'm not gonna do that, but you can if you shit. It's a fucking weapon, really. Quick shotties, whatever, in style. Fucking metal shit. And yeah. Got the gold one. It was the best looking one for me, so it is my shit, my style. And there. Fucking, let's get it.